Hey, welcome to our journey in faith. We're glad you're here this morning. We're going to do another unboxing.
What about me? I'm here. Don't I count?
Oh no, look who's
Hi,
here.
hi, all my adoring fans. It's going to be a fun week.
Ron,
Have good and be careful and don't listen to too much he says.
Hooter ball. Wow. Anyway, we're going to do an unboxing here. We got some more stuff in for the project. So, just down here real quick, we got some cleaner for the roof, but I went ahead and got in the 3/4 inch PEX-A. We got in our other paper towel dispenser, and these are the grab bars for the Kid City bathroom. They're ADA compliant, so we put grab bars in the bathrooms. So I got a couple of boxes here. I don't have no idea what this is. We're gonna open this up. So we can. Oh, okay. They're for the mirrors we got. It's the hanging system here. Well, let's see here. Yeah, I think at 10 to 100 pounds. So we got that. An inventory of that. Let's see what we got in this one. We got the closet flange. Yeah.
Oh boy, we want those.
For the
There you
women
go.
in the group, that means it's for the toilet.
All right. Yes. And for the it's not for the closet.
It's not for the closet.
Let's see what we got in this big. Oh, we got all kinds of stuff in this big old box. Woo, son. All right. So we got 4 of the faucets. Those will all go in there. We got simple drains. Those are nice. I've used those before. A whole lot easier than tightening everything up, making your drains underneath there. That makes it easy. We got collars, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch expansion collars. We got expansion, PEX-A expansion elbows. Those are 3/4. Oh, we got supply lines for the bathrooms. And there's a 3/4 inch T. Oh, we got some PVC elbows and 3-inch clean out T. Nice. Oh, another one of those simple drains. If you haven't tried these, you need to try them. They're just easy. You hook them up, make your loop there, and they're nice. You got some black pipe elbows, extension or supply lines here. We got some 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch collars expansion. We got some pipe thread sealant for the black pipe. And we got some galvanized hanger straps. Very nice. Oh, 2 more of those. And we got some black pipe elbows. And we got some more expansion tees for the bathrooms. And then the last faucet. So we got 4 faucets. Nice. So that helped out a lot for Monday's start. The only thing we're missing, like I said, we got the 3/4 inch pack. I had to see if someone on their way up from Arkansas would bring the 1/2 inch. The 1/2 inch is going to be here Wednesday. We need it Monday. So if they're bringing 100 feet, we'll turn around and give them this so they can take their 100 feet back. So anyway, we're excited. Look forward to everyone being here from Olathe and Arkansas. And till we talk again, keep looking up and Maranatha.